What is up, everybody? It's Jonathan from Enigma Photos, and today I'm doing a little tutorial on how to merge multiple images, and that's known as HDR tone mapping. But sometimes you're in a situation where if you expose for the sky, you've got this beautiful sky as you can see in this image, but all this is dark. Or if you expose for the foreground, then your sky is completely blown out. So what we do generally is merge multiple images so we can get the best of both worlds, so we can have the beautiful sky and the beautiful ground and everything's even. And that's known as HDR. So you can merge like 3, 5, 7, 9, depending on what the situation is. Usually more so, like I've used 9 before if I'm doing real estate photography and I want to get everything outside the window to match with the inside of the house. So that's why you'd sometimes have to use a lot of images just to get everything to look right. So back to this. So this is a 5 image HDR merge, and I'm using Lightroom here. And it's very simple. So I'll select all the images that I took to merge, and then I'll hit Control, go to Photo Merge, and HDR. And I'll click that, and it'll take a few for it to do a HDR preview, and I'll be right back when it's done. So as you can see, Lightroom has beautifully merged everything together. Now you'll notice something here. I have auto settings off. The reason why I have them off is that I like going in and messing with the image and making it the way I want to. Now if you keep it on, if you're new to this, then it will automatically kind of HDR it for you. So it gives you a really huge first step, especially if you're just not comfortable going through and changing everything up. So it's up to you. If you are, pretty good at doing this, then you can get in there and turn the auto settings off and make it look the way you want to. But if you're still kind of skeptical or you're just not sure what to do, then it does a pretty good job most of the time of doing it for you. And then you can make little minor adjustments there. So I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Later on, I will be doing what I did to the final image to make it look the way it does, and a lot of other tutorials on just like cool stuff to learn in Photoshop, or not Photoshop, but Lightroom. I'll also be doing from start to finish, so I'll be actually out in the field taking a multi-shot picture and then bringing it back and doing a whole tutorial going from start to finish. Hope you enjoy. Talk to you later.